Firstly, install the EX strip, marking the start line, then fix the EX strip along the line by screw. Please note not to tap the nail by hammer, for it will cause crack at the end of joist and unfavorable to the leveling. Lay from corner, pull the corner on the EX strip and fix it by special metal fittings. Then, install the joint strip for panel connection. The joint strip shall be of proper size, because it plays another important role of preventing the transverse movement of panels. It must not only insert into the corner, but also be fixed with nail in a distance less than 1 meter. The construction of exterior wall panel's main body shall be conducted afterwards. The panel shall be cut based on the room size. A diamond cutting machine shall be employed and cut a panel from the back. Otherwise, you will see concave in the section or broken at the edge. Put the panel on EX strip and fix it with special metal fittings. Ceiling seam shall be preserved at the left and the right connection of the panels. Proper joint ceiling strip shall be applied to the ceiling seam, just like that of corner, and it shall be fixed with nails in a distance less than 1 meter. Then start to lay the panels at the right side of the seam. In case the TNG is square, metal fittings should be applied to prevent the left or right movement and improve the waterproofing function. Then lay in the second, third, and upper stage in sequence. Then the single-side joint strip. Then fix the panels at the other side, provided the joints are sealed. Under the open. For those parts cannot be fixed with metal fittings, please drill a hole and then fix it with nails. But the right and the left side must be fixed with metal fittings. The top of the open, the drilling parts should be installed prior to the installation of clapboard and the The next is the lower part of eaves, in case the eave is constructed before the exterior wall. The ventilation eaves girder shall be applied. Install the clapboard on joists, and then install the ventilation eaves girder. Insert panels cut in proper size and fix them with nails on each piece of joist afterwards. Whenever the section of panels are exposed at the upper part or somewhere else, remember to apply seal coating in 2 times. If there is a necessary for coloring up, please conduct the mending after the waterproof seal coating. Needed positions, such as the nail heads, but please pay attention not to paint too thick or too wide. Otherwise, it would get more conspicuous. Moreover, materials such as sealing glue shall be avoided to use, because it will turn pale soon in several months. The last procedure is caulking. The good or bad of caulking is determined by the quality of sign tape adhering. Please stick carefully along the pattern of panel. After the sticking work is finished, brush the special base paint sufficiently. You will see that it is very easy for the section of panels to absorb the base paint, so please be careful during the base painting. Off with scraper. In the end, Please spray the protection agent to restrain the surface acidity of the joint filling materials and avoid its degradation effectively.